In December of 2023, Columbia County Sheriff's Department was called due to a man experiencing symptoms of psychosis. When first responders arrived, his paranoia kicked in and he decided that he had to get the fuck out of there. And so he left. The only problem with that is that he didn't leave in his vehicle. He left in the ambulance. Check it out.
Alright, man. What happened?
Yeah, exactly. Got up. No.
That's understandable if you had too much to drink. Everyone
has been drinking.
And that's fine. That's fine.
No, I just called 911 because I'm going to die.
You feel like you're about to die?
I feel like I was going to get killed.
Okay, was anybody threatening you or anyway? Or did you feel that somebody was like following you, watching you?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one? Following you and watching you?
No, that is ma'am.
At the bar?
How you know I was at the bar?
Because I just told him.
Yeah, and they know about it too.
Okay, I don't care that you were at the bar. I'm just saying, because all this occurred at the bar.
Yeah,
I don't care if it was at that gas station or the bar. The bar has nothing to do with it. So y'all were at the bar and you felt that somebody was like watching you and plotting to hurt you and everything?
Yes,
okay. How much have you had to drink roughly?
A little bit.
Huh?
Not much.
Not much. Did you drink beers, mixed drinks?
He drank several
can y'all take
twisted
me with,
ice at the house. Whenever we was at the house,
take y'all with me.
We started off at the house drinking.
Can y'all take me with y'all,
neighbor? Yeah.
You know, and he comes to me all the time. I don't know why he's acting like this, because I help.
I just didn't want to die, man.
I understand. You got your ID on you?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, what's your first name?
Stanley Williams.
Stanley Williams?
I can vouch for that.
Okay. Do you do any illegal narcotics by chance?
No,
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
He does.
Yes. What do you do?
Go ahead and take it.
I had this on cocaine.
You've done cocaine? Did you do cocaine tonight?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you did it before, during, or after?
Before.
All the time.
Before at your house, his house?
My house.
Your house? Okay, and that's all you had was just cocaine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no methamphetamine, Suboxones, no? Okay.
I'd say he might be trying to get right, though, because he has been on worse stuff, and he's been trying to
do better?
Detoxing or something, I don't know.
So do you have a history of doing drugs? Okay, what kind of drugs have you done in the past?
K2.
K2? Is that all?
Yes, ma'am.
Just K2 and cocaine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You want to get evaluated by EMS?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Want to go to the hospital, partner?
Yes, sir.
Get some help, brother, okay?
Yes, sir.
Please do that.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Yes, sir.
You're welcome, man. Hope you get some help.
Over here, bro.
Oh, my God.
Did you want me to take you back to the bar so your wife or your girlfriend or wife could come pick you up, or?
Can you?
Yeah.
I might smell like alcohol.
That's fine, as long as you're not driving. Or come right here, put your hands right here. You got anything on you?
No, ma'am.
No?
Good. I'm good. I'm veteran and everything, too, so.
Okay.
I'm all right.
All right, get in the back.
Right, man. In the back?
Yep. No.
He's been in jail a couple of times. Like I said, he's my neighbor. He lives right across the street from me.
While the EMS staff evaluated Stanley, they advised he began acting irate and said they were trying to kill him.
Now he's freaking the f*** out. He don't want us.
I told you.
We're trying to kill him now.
Now we're trying to kill him. He don't trust me at all.
All right, I'm going to get you out, okay?
Okay.
Does he just do K2 and cocaine?
No, ma'am.
Meth?
Fentanyl and
Fentanyl?
all that stuff. Yes, ma'am. He's very...
Fentanyl. Fentanyl and meth.
Yeah, I'm not gonna play with him all night.
Hey, man. What's going on? What? You're good to go. You're good to go.
No, he said he's not going to take me.
Huh?
He said he's not going to take me.
Well, you said you were freaking out in there.
No, I said I'll go.
You'll go?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, come on, y'all.
Listen, you change your mind again, you're gonna go with her.
Yes, sir.
You're not going to the hospital.
Yes.
Yeah, if you go with me, you're not going to the hospital. So this is your safest bet, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All
I'd
right.
rather go with you.
You want to go with me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
No, I'll go with them. I'll go with y'all.
We're not gonna play this game.
No, I'll go with y'all. I'll go with y'all.
Is this for real, Ron?
I'll go with y'all. I'll go with y'all.
You're going with me?
He's trying to get
Yeah.
Keep your eye on Stanley, because it's at this point that paranoia kicks in and he begins to panic. He runs up to the gas station, and this is when they lose track of him.
Coming around here. Just ran that way.
He's in the vehicle. (1316 Columbia). Subject took off. Subject took off in the EMS.
A pursuit of a stolen ambulance ended on the front lawn of the Sheriff's Office Operations Center late Saturday evening. On December 9th at approximately 11:45 p.m., a deputy was assisting EMS with a subject who was experiencing an altered mental state and possibly under the influence of drugs in the area of Southeast Baya Avenue and SR 100. During that encounter, the individual, identified as Stanley Williams, 35, was able to gain access to the interior of the ambulance and drove away from the scene. The deputy pursued the stolen ambulance and relayed the information to the other deputies. At some point, the ambulance struck a curb, causing damage to the tire. Williams drove the ambulance into the entrance of the CCSO Operations Center on US 90 East. He drove across the front lawn before finally stopping near the front of the main entrance of the building. He was then taken into custody without further incident. Williams was admitted to an area hospital for further evaluation. Charges are being filed and referred to the state attorney's office for grand theft and fleeing and evading. As additional officers join the pursuit, one of them thinks that they've located the ambulance. So they did a felony stop and quickly learned that they got the wrong ambulance.
1236, 1316, I'm behind you, let me call it. We're stopping for the railroad tracks.
Let me see your hands! Step on the ambulance now! Let me see your hands! Step out now! 12 at the Clement, one at gunpoint. Is that who's this? Who's in the ambulance with you?
My partner and a patient.
What's up?
Okay, we were advised that the patient took the van.
What?
You're good, come to me.
I think they're back there. I think that's a different...
I do have autism.
You're fine, you're fine.
Is that them back there?
I think so.
Wait, so what happened?
Where's another ambulance at? Is there another ambulance coming?
I don't know.
Okay, just get in your van, you're good. Get in your van, get in your van, get in your van.
1316, are you behind another ambulance? Because me and 1280 have one stopped up here.
That's the wrong ambulance. I'm behind an ambulance right now. It's Med 4. He's coming up to you. Signal 4, Sheriff's Office.
He pulled into the sheriff's office. He's going to our building.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! You stay on the ground! Stay on the ground! Stay on the ground! Do not move! Do you hear me?
1236, call me. We're in front of the sheriff's office door.
Hey, what do you want to do?
We need to get him detained.
All right, hey, cover me.
Try to get him up.
Hey, stand up! Stand up!
Stand up!
Stand up now! Walk back towards me! Backwards! Keep your hands up! Walk back! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Go down on your knees! Cross your feet at your ankles! Cross, put your hands, interlace the fingers, top your head. Stay just like that.
Ready?
Go in. If you move, I'll tase the shit out of you, boy.
Give me your hand.
Give her your hand.
I got the vehicle.
Put him on. Let's keep quiet, boy.
1316 Columbia 1 Bravo, Mike detained.
That's why I came to the cameras. Hey, keep quiet. Yes, sir.
Is one in there? Okay.
We're clear up front.
Thank y'all, sir. Yeah. They tried to kill me.
633 traffic.
That's why I came to the cameras. You just be quiet. You do anything other than what we tell you to get up, it's going to be a bad night for you.
Yes,
understand
sir.
that?
Yes, sir.
Get your shit rocked.
Yes, sir.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
What the?
Yes, sir.
You stole an ambulance.
Ma'am.
No, no, ma'am. Me.
Y'all been trying to kill me, ma'am.
No. We were trying to help you until you acted like an idiot. Stand up. Come with me. Yep. Come on. Grab his other arm.
I got it.
Walk. Walk.
Hell, thought that was the ambulance still.
Yeah, me too. I thought
Stay right here.
Please help me, Lord.
Holy crap.
Hang tight.
What's the cameras?
We need gloves. He's known to do fentanyl.
Cameras. Lord, please have cameras, Lord. Please have the feds watching, Lord.
You mind holding him while I
plead my blood of Jesus over my life. I pray that whoever here believe in the Lord Jesus Christ, believe in it, not doing something.
Hold him. Hold him.
What's going on so I can tell the sergeant while you're doing this?
All right. So I helped.
She's trying to help them kill me.
I got it.
Can I talk?
Holy, we were way out west. Yeah.
I was helping EMS out with a change in mental status. His friend was there. His friend left him because he was going to go.
I tell you what, you call him. We'll deal with this.
Okay.
Just go call him.
Here.
I got it. I'll get some more. Just keep him right.
Lord, please save my soul, Lord.
13-16,070.
Please save my soul.
I'll give you a call. 23, just one.
Females up there.
Oh, well, no, he said for me to call him.
What are you doing with us, huh? Hey, don't start that now.
Hey, just give him a call. Give him a call. I'll do it. We'll
Okay,
take
you
care
got
of it.
this?
Lord.
Yeah, we got this.
We got this.
Thank you, God, keeping me safe. Thank you, God, keeping my shift safe.
What's your name?
Sir?
What is your name?
Stanley Williams, sir.
What are you doing in this ambulance? I wasn't there.
I called for help, for y'all to help me, and I called for help, and that lady tried to kill me.
Back at the Hardys. We're going to initiate.
Are they 77?
Because they was with them.
Is EMS 77 on there?
No, he did not crash into the office.
Okay, thank Jesus.
Yes, we are a foot away from it, but we did not touch the office.
Okay.
Drugs on him, so be careful. Hey, you got no needles on you, do you?
You
got straw up there with residue.
Man, why y'all?
Everybody's okay.
What kind of call were you on?
I saw the call come out, and I saw that it was a change in mental, so I was like, I'm going to go and help EMS out because I have all my stuff catched up.
People still coming.
Yeah, you parked in our front office.
Because I know that's what I'm about to. Because I know they were trying to kill me.
So I went there, and he was cool, calm, and collected. His friend was there with him. His friend was like, hey, he just needs to go to the hospital and get checked out. And I was like, does he have any history of drug usage, whatever? He had been drinking. He said that he has done cocaine today. The friend said that he has a past, the guy that we have now, has a past of fentanyl, heroin, meth, all that good stuff.
Why y'all trying to kill me, man?
Hold him right now.
Face the vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Turn around.
Turn around, man.
Okay. Yes, sir. Lord, take my soul, Jesus, please.
He got out of the back of the ambulance and was like, I don't want to go with them. I want to go with you. And I was like, okay, well, come here. And then he backs up and was like, I don't want to go with you. I was like, okay.
Lord, whoever killed me, Lord, remember me, Lord.
Hey, stop, man.
Well, then he runs to the store. I said, if he's going to run off and doesn't want our help, then so be it.
Lord, please.
Well, then he runs around, gets in the passenger side of the ambulance, and takes off. Jumps the curb, and then goes eastbound on 90.
Lord, come, Lord. Come, Lord.
Have a seat for us, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right.
But Lord, come.
Have a
Lord,
seat.
come.
There you go. Watch your feet.
Okay, yes, sir.
Jesus Christ.
Signal 10 and DUI.
Pretty sure it's an upcharge too for stealing an ambulance.
Yes.
Yeah, go.
Government.
Any signal 10 is a felony.
I literally sat there and I was like, this is not happening.
You was up here?
So
No, I was at the Sun Stop with Hardee's, the gas station right there at Bay on 100.
you scared the crap out of me. You screaming on the radio.
Yeah,
So me and Jordan sit there talking. All I hear is you screaming like, well, where's she at?
We was on the 1050. I was like,
And I was here
fuck
doing
that.
evidence. I was like, yeah,
I thought he was going to crash.
I stopped the wrong ambulance, so we fell and stopped the wrong ambulance.
Yeah, y'all stopped the wrong ambulance. I was like, that's the wrong one.
So he's like, I was like, sorry, bro, you just go.
And I thought he was going to hit the sheriff's office. I'm like, please don't run into the building. I know.
I see one coming, zooming.
No, I'm sorry. I got confused because
You're okay.
Thomas was headed that, or was already past the sheriff's office.
Blow up. Yeah. Okay, he busted radiator. I'm going this way.
Hey, I'd watch out, Logan. It's probably going to blow up.
Boy, gasket or something.
Hey, y'all, I'd watch out with this. It's smoking and it's about to blow up.
I thought he was Hodges at first.
Yeah, I was like, first of all,
Rooney chased one, and then here y'all go with this. That's the first one for the ambulance. I thought this was GTA 5 from this one.
I like it, Rico. You just getting warm, bro.
No bullshit. Fuck this shit.
all I heard was a screaming. I couldn't make out what she was saying. So I heard her say somebody just stole an ambulance. So I haul butt. As soon as I get to heading out, all I see is an ambulance coming. I didn't get a description or nothing. I just see the ambulance. So pretty much fell and stopped that guy.
I saw him.
He's just like, I'm like, dude, this has to be the wrong one. I was like, hey, no, you're good. He said, what's going on with the other ambulance? Dude, get in your ambulance and just go. So then I see...
He was running code?
No.
No. Okay.
I just figured he's running with no.
I guess he wasn't running code
He
either.
crashed into the sheriff's office from where how it looked out there.
I thought he was going for it. I was like, holy.
So how did he get in control of the ambulance? Is what I'm wondering.
I thought he was on foot at first.
That's what I thought.
And then I was like, why? Why are we chasing him?
He took an ambulance. I said, oh, dude, that.
He was going for the building.
So did he just like? Yeah, he got stopped by the grass and
What
stuff.
if he would have drove into the?
Well, that was the first thing Conger said on the phone. He said, "Did he hit the building?" I said, "No." He goes, "Oh, thank God." I said, "I mean, he
It's
came."
not like he tried to. Though. It looked like he tried to. He just got stuck.
Do you understand each of these rights I explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What'd you take? What'd you take? Do what?
You know God watching you?
I know God's watching me, but what'd you take earlier?
Nothing.
Okay. What was that little baggie of
That man put it on me.
Who put it on you?
I was in the car with. The man I was in the car with.
Okay. What is it?
Why y'all trying to kill me?
Nobody's trying to kill you, but what that man put on you?
He put cocaine on me, sir.
He put cocaine?
Yes.
So that little baggie is cocaine?
Yes, sir.
It is? Okay. How long ago did you use cocaine?
Just a few seconds ago.
A few seconds ago?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why'd you take the ambulance?
Because y'all was trying to kill me. He's trying to kill me right now.
Who was trying to kill you?
That lady in the ambulance.
The lady in the ambulance?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I test that little baggie of drugs I found, is that going to be cocaine?
Yes, sir.
It is? Okay.
I got this video from Code Blue Cam's channel. I'll be sure to put the link in the description, so make sure that you head over that way and check out his channel. Give him the credit that is due to him. He does a great job explaining the outcome and the charges that were ensued, so check it out.
Deputies were later informed about a torn baggie containing a white powdery substance discovered in the passenger seat of the ambulance. The missing bottom half of the bag and Stanley's increased agitation indicated that he may have ingested additional narcotics during the course of the chase. Another ambulance arrived, and the medical staff opted to sedate Stanley as he was undergoing excited delirium. He was then safely transported to a local hospital without incident. As a result, Stanley is being charged with felony counts of second and third degree grand theft of a motor vehicle, fleeing eluding an officer, possession of a controlled substance without a prescription, misdemeanor counts of resisting an officer, driving under the influence of alcohol and drugs, possession of drug paraphernalia, and driving with a suspended license. He also received several citations, and it was revealed that his driver's license had been revoked since 2011 without obtaining a new one. Due to Stanley being admitted to the hospital, he has not yet been booked for the charges. Instead of assigning a deputy to supervise him the entire time, a warrant for his arrest has been filed.